Hi, welcome to another video from Analytics Leap, and in this video I will discuss 5 essential steps to start your career in data analytics. Over the last few days we have received several questions from viewers and students who want to start their career in data analytics but are struggling to do so or need more guidance. Some of the questions are: how do I build my career in data analytics or data science? Where do I start from? Which course should I take up? Is programming knowledge essential for a data analyst? I have a science degree. Am I eligible for data analytics or not? This video is aimed at answering all these questions. So do not forget to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment if you find it useful. If you still have some questions, then ask them in the comment box, and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. So let's make a start. The first step is to find the right role for yourself. It is the most important step, as you should know the time and effort that you'll put in step 2 to 5. What will it probably lead you to? Start by researching about different data analytics roles that are available. Best way is to go to an online job portal and start researching roles available there. Filter by industry, experience level required, location, and any other filters applicable. And start reading the job descriptions, such as key skills required for the role, any prior experience needed, key qualifications at undergraduate or postgraduate, etc. Create a short list of potential roles based upon your work experience and background that look more achievable versus others. For example, if a role requires PhD in statistics and your qualification is at an undergraduate level, then do not put them on the list. You can follow the same exact steps to find potential roles internally in the organization you are working. If the organization doesn't have an online portal, then reach out to the HR or the recruitment team, or speak to people who are already working in analytics teams to find out requirements for the roles there. This will nicely lead you to the next step, which is identifying the gaps. Now that you know what you are aiming for and where you stand currently, next step is to identify the gaps. These gaps could be technical in nature. For example, knowledge of particular analytical tools, namely Python or R or Tableau, etc. Or it could be educational related, such as for some roles companies need candidates to hold a master's degree and you have been thinking for long to study for one. But now it gives you another motivation to go for it. This leads you to the next step, which is finding the right course to bridge the gap. There are several courses available online. There are free versus paid courses, online versus face-to-face. You need to decide which medium works best for you and how much you want to spend on a course. But bigger consideration needs to be given to the fact whether the coursework covers basic concepts which then lead you to a level from where you can push yourself further or not. This is what you can make out to a certain level by reading past student reviews and researching on the internet. The next step is to find a peer group or a mentor. Now doing this will keep you motivated and on the right path to achieve what you really want to. Mentor could be your course instructor who can provide support and guidance when needed. For peer group, you can join groups on LinkedIn or Facebook where people share updates, articles, etc., which will again keep you informed and motivated. Last but not least, and a very important step that people tend to miss out, is soft skills. Effective communication is a skill that comes really handy for a data analytics expert, as more often than not, the job of a data analyst requires them to interact with non-technical or non-data oriented people. And it is effective communication that helps them in landing the right message and helps in explaining results backed by data. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and post any comments or questions in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do so. Thank you and see you in the next video.